Welcome to Make Life Smart, where your kitchen gets smarter with every gadget you discover. What if the tools you didn't even know existed could save time, effort, and completely transform how you cook? In this video, Amazon's best kitchen gadgets you didn't know you needed, we're uncovering clever innovations that make everyday tasks feel effortless. Stay with me because your kitchen is about to level up. Number 1. Meet the Thermomix TM7, a smart cooking system that turns your kitchen into something truly intelligent. It's not just an appliance, it's like having a professional chef guiding you every step of the way. At first glance, it looks sleek and modern, but the moment you start using it, you realize how much it can actually do. It chops, mixes, cooks, steams, and even guides you through recipes with step-by-step instructions, all in one compact device. Imagine preparing complex meals without stress. The TM7 controls temperature, timing, and precision automatically, so every dish comes out just right even if you're not an expert. What makes it truly next level is its smart connectivity. It gives you access to a world of recipes, adapts to your preferences, and helps you discover new dishes effortlessly. From quick meals to gourmet creations, everything feels smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. This isn't just cooking, it's smart cooking, where technology works with you, not against you. And once you experience that level of control and simplicity, going back to traditional cooking methods might not feel nearly as exciting anymore. Number 2. Meet the Cuisinart FastFreeze Max, an ice cream maker that turns your kitchen into a personal dessert studio. Because great ice cream shouldn't be limited to stores. It should be created exactly the way you like it. From the moment you start, everything feels fast and effortless. With its powerful freezing system, it turns out smooth, creamy ice cream in less time than you'd expect. No long waiting, no complicated steps. But what makes it truly exciting is the control it gives you. You choose the ingredients, the flavors, even the texture. From classic vanilla to creative one-of-a-kind combinations, every batch is uniquely yours. Imagine making fresh ice cream anytime. Healthier options, richer flavors, or even dairy-free creations, all from your own kitchen. Sleek, powerful, and easy to use, it fits perfectly into modern lifestyles where customization matters. This isn't just an ice cream maker, it's your personal flavor lab. And once you start creating your own desserts, store-bought options might not feel nearly as satisfying anymore. Number 3. Meet the Bear DFH-B10T, an electric lunchbox that turns every meal into a warm, ready-to-eat experience wherever you are. No more cold food, no more waiting for a microwave. It's convenience you can carry. At first, it looks like a simple lunchbox, but once you plug it in, it gently heats your food to the perfect temperature, keeping flavors intact and meals fresh. Imagine enjoying a home-cooked meal at the office, on a trip, or even in your car, without rushing or compromising on taste. It's smooth, quiet, and designed for everyday use. What makes it truly special is its simplicity. Just pack your meal, connect it, and let it do the rest. No complicated settings, no guesswork. Compact, stylish, and incredibly practical, it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. This isn't just a lunchbox, it's comfort on demand. And once you experience warm meals anywhere, going back to cold lunches won't feel the same anymore. Number 4. Meet the Toyomi WK 1795 1.7 liter, a classic cordless smart kettle that brings speed, simplicity, and a touch of modern convenience to your everyday routine. It may look familiar, but it's built for smarter living. From the moment you switch it on, it heats water quickly and efficiently, getting you ready for tea, coffee, or cooking in minutes. No waiting, no hassle, just smooth performance. What makes it stand out is its cordless design. Lift, pour, and move freely without being tied down, making every use feel effortless. Reliable, sleek, and easy to handle, it fits perfectly into any kitchen setup. This isn't just a kettle, it's everyday comfort upgraded. And once you experience that ease and speed, traditional kettles won't feel as convenient anymore. Number 5. Meet the Kitchen Mama Mini Plus, a rechargeable electric can opener that turns a simple task into something effortless. No twisting, no strain, just one touch and it does the job for you. Place it on the can, press the button, and watch it glide smoothly around the lid, cutting cleanly without sharp edges. It's safe, precise, and surprisingly satisfying to use. What makes it truly modern is its compact, rechargeable design. No cords, no hassle. Just grab it whenever you need it. Perfect for everyday cooking, especially when convenience really matters. This isn't just a can opener, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. And once you use it, going back to manual openers won't feel as easy anymore. Number 6. Meet the FoodSaver, a space-saving vacuum sealer that transforms how you store food and reduce waste, because freshness shouldn't fade just because time passes. With a simple press, it removes air and seals your food tightly, locking in flavor, texture, and nutrients for much longer than traditional storage methods. No more spoiled leftovers or wasted groceries. What makes it truly practical is its compact design. It fits neatly into your kitchen without taking up space while still delivering powerful sealing performance. Imagine prepping meals in advance, organizing your fridge, and keeping everything fresh with ease. This isn't just storage, it's smarter food management. And once you see how long your food lasts, going back to regular containers won't feel as effective anymore. Number 7. Meet the Zojirushi NL-EAC1018 MyCom rice cooker and warmer that takes something simple and makes it consistently perfect. Because cooking rice shouldn't be guesswork, it should be precision. At first, it looks like a classic kitchen appliance, but inside, it uses smart microcomputer technology to control temperature and timing with incredible accuracy, adjusting the cooking process for flawless results every time. Whether you prefer soft, firm, or perfectly fluffy rice, it adapts automatically, delivering texture and flavor that feels restaurant quality. And it doesn't stop there. Once your rice is ready, it keeps it warm and fresh for hours without drying it out. Easy to use, reliable, and thoughtfully designed, it fits seamlessly into your daily routine. This isn't just a rice cooker, it's consistent perfection made simple. And once you taste the difference, going back to basic cooking methods won't feel the same anymore. Thanks for watching Make Life Smart. Subscribe and stay ahead.